Everyone seems to have an opinion on money in their own way. It is a complicated relationship based on numerous factors. Money is not a fixed entity. It is not a static object. For many of us, the concept of money revolves around data points, opportunities, challenges, and other factors that we encounter on a daily basis. We make decisions that have a direct impact on our wallets, bank accounts, investments, and stock portfolios. Many people want to ensure their financial security in the future. Our relationship with money begins at a young age and continues throughout our lives. When it comes to money and how it relates to our inner psychology, human behavior varies greatly. In this video, we are going to present you with 5 facts of psychology of money that explain the human relation to money. Number 1. Emotion is key to money. Money appears to be a physical entity from the outside. It may appear to be something we use to buy necessities for survival, and for many others, it enables us to purchase less necessary items and more items that we desire. Money, on the other hand, is not solely a physical item that we exchange throughout our lives. Money in our world is heavily influenced by emotion. Our relationship with money is emotional and intricately linked to our inner psychology. Emotion determines why we need money, how we make money, how we share money, how much of our money is allotted to spending, and how much goes into savings. Because we all feel differently, emotion plays an important role in our relationship with money. Money's complexities can elicit a variety of emotions in each of us. Number 2. Family dynamics influence view of money. Our financial relationships can really be influenced by our family dynamics. Some children are raised by parents or guardians who have a positive and stable financial relationship. These children may not face financial difficulties as adults. As they grow older, they may feel safe and financially secure. This can continue into adulthood as they begin a career and earn their own money. Some children are raised by extremely wealthy parents or guardians. Wealthy families may feel bonded by their wealth. This can lead to a difficult relationship for a child. They may struggle to find their own independence and wealth because they were raised believing that they would always be looked after. There are also many children who grow up in families who deeply struggle with money. This can affect their relationship with money in quite a few ways, including being fearful of spending their hard-earned money. Number 3. Money may lead to greed. As previously stated, the human relationship with money is emotional. It can elicit feelings of fear, guilt, envy, and shame. Greed comes along with these emotions. Greed is easily fueled by money. Greed is a strong desire for something. It is the selfish desire to seize something for oneself, particularly wealth, power, and food. Many people aspire to be wealthy or wealthy. Wealth can provide you with freedom, better mental and physical health, more control over your life, a nice home, a nice car, respect from others, and much more. Who wouldn't want it all? However, in many cases, the more money someone obtains, the more they desire. They ultimately believe that having more money will make them happier. Wealth provides freedom in many ways, but it comes at an emotional cost. It can lead to selfishness, lack of empathy, acting out of line, deception, and other negative behaviors. Number 4. Money affects happiness. Money cannot buy happiness, according to the golden rule. Money, on the other hand, can have an impact on happiness. According to studies, money does influence how happy someone is. However, only to a certain extent. While money does improve mental and emotional health, the study found that this scale ends at around a specific level of earning. People can feel safe when they have money. It has the potential to make people feel better about their lives. It has the potential to provide people with meaningful experiences. Number 5. Mental health conditions can lead to financial struggles. Many people all over the world suffer from mental illnesses. More than half of all Americans will be diagnosed with a mental illness or disorder at some point in their lives. This means that 1 in every 5 Americans will experience mental illness in a single year. The most common conditions are alcohol, major depression, bipolar illness, ADHD or ADD. All of these mental illnesses can lead to financial difficulties and insecurity. These difficulties may include excessive substance use, being unemployed, having difficulty performing a job properly, feeling misunderstood, and others. When a person does not seek help for their mental health issues, they are more likely to have an unhealthy relationship with money. Understanding how money works is essential to having a healthy relationship with it. It entails using your money to help you maintain good health, live a less stressful life, and invest in things that will benefit you in the long run. Financial freedom and wellness are the results of a positive relationship. Hope you enjoy these amazing facts from Psychology of Money. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned to such fact-full content. Thanks for watching.